Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new address on the Sam's Club app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your address or add a different address. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Sam's Club app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and scroll down and then click on Address Book. And then next to where it says Add Address, click on Add Address. So enter your first name, last name, street name, city, state, and zip code, phone number, and then click on Save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a new address to the Sam's Club app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.